The cabin air filter in a 2015-2020 Ford Mustang is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, open the glove box. Release the hinges by depressing stoppers or removing screws and lower it completely. The filter housing is then visible. Release the clips or tabs to pull out the old filter tray. Replacing this filter is crucial for maintaining good air quality inside your car, improving HVAC system efficiency, as clogged filters can reduce airflow by 20 to 30%, preventing mold growth and reducing allergen exposure by up to 70%. Park on a level surface, turn off the engine, and gather your tools. Start by opening the glove box and removing it completely. Once open, you should see the old filter. Inspect it for debris, mold, or damage. Note the airflow direction arrows on the old filter. Insert the new filter matching the airflow direction, ensuring it fits properly 8.5 inch by 8.5 inch by 1.5 inch for Mustang. Secure the housing and reassemble the glove box. Run the HVAC on recirculation mode to verify airflow and reset any maintenance lights via the instrument cluster. Consider using rust-proofing sprays in high humidity areas to protect the filter housing from corrosion.